Hey guys, how are you today? I'm finally back doing crafts again. I know it's the summertime and stuff, but I thought that I didn't have anything else to do because I was off work today, and I thought, well, let's go ahead and do some embroidery. So I got an old t-shirt out, and just because I haven't embroidered in a long time, I just wanted to get one out and see how well I did with it. So I grabbed an old gray t-shirt, and you'll notice it had a little spot down there because when I was trying to press it, I pressed something into it. I don't know what it was. Instead, I was like, okay, well, just leave it alone there. So what I'm trying to do right now is get my hoop set up so I can be able to go ahead and put my t-shirt on. However, I do like to float things, so I am going to float this. It seems to be a little bit easier to float t-shirts than it is to put them actually down into a hoop. And so since I have a Janome, I don't have anything like a mighty hoop or anything like that. So I am going to use this one. This was like a 200 by 200 hoop that I had from Janome. I believe it's a 20 SE, I believe is what it is. Or 20 SQ. So right now I'm just tightening the hoop up, and here in a minute what I'm going to do is grab my shears, and then I'm going to squirt down the middle of it and just basically just try to get it ready because I do use the Pellon, and it is a sticky back. I like that a lot better than just having to fit my t-shirt down into the actual hoop itself. So I am now just trying to get ready and get that done, and I had taped a little bit more in the beginning of this when I probably shouldn't have. I was just trying to get it ready. So now I'm actually taking it to the embroidery machine and getting it set up. To start, we're going to do a little bat. It's like a little kitty cat bat is what it is, and I thought that would be cute. Yes, I know it's not Halloween, but it is something fun to do for today. So some of the colors that I had picked out was like a black and a purple, a red and a white. I think it suggested 10 different colors, and if I would have sat there and changed up 10 different colors with the Janome, it probably would have took me forever. The design usually takes, this one right here took about 59 minutes to do, but it was cute. Today was just like one of those days where I was just letting my work do whatever it wants to do. You can see some threads hanging out there, but it does cover it after a bit, just because it does go over the pattern back and forth in the stitching. I like to go ahead and trim the edges of these just to kind of get some of that thread out of the way while the machine is going. Just if you do that, just be really careful, because you don't want to wind up getting your scissors caught into your machine and then tearing your machine up. So I sit here and I let that sew for a little bit, and it's really cool though. I mean, the little bat came out really, really nice. how cute was he to do? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to This Darn Chicks Designs.